Hello everyone, and welcome to COPRIX Media Setting System tutorial. So, in this tutorial, I will explain to you what our system is and how you can implement it in your own projects. First off, this system is made so you can create your own custom settings and automatically save them and update them between your scenes. So, this is accomplished with two easy features. First, the settings editor, where you can add and remove your custom settings, and our settings components, which are listed here in this submenu. Now, let's try this out. Go to Settings Editor and create a new setting by clicking in the top right corner on this plus button, and here you will see the types you can choose for your setting. We'll choose string. Here is the name of the setting, let's say my name. Keep in mind that all settings should use the same naming convention as fields and properties in your scripts, because all these settings will be compiled in a script later. Here is the default value of the setting, so let's say this is my name, and click compile. Okay, you can exit the window, and we will use input field. Now, as you can see, the input field is created, and it's giving you the warning that settings property is not set. What does that mean? We can scroll down and see here. Now, you have two options here. Here, you can select one of your settings, and here is the option where you select does this component read and write to your settings file, or just reads from your settings file. Let's try this out. Okay, as you can see, this displays the default value of our setting. Let's change it. I lied. This is not my name. Sorry. We can stop our game. Play it again. As you can see, this setting is saved automatically. And let's try and duplicate this field, so you can see how it updates. Every two fields, every two components that are connected to the same setting will update automatically. As you can see, both read from the same setting. And when we change one, okay, it changes. It updates both components. We can now say not, okay. And as you can see, it works both ways. Now, let's delete these fields. And I will show you how to use our settings in your scripts. Let's make a new C# script. Let's call it settings viewer. And let's go and create a new setting for this. Let's choose integer for this one, and let's say count, and let's say the default value is 5. Compile. Okay, let's open it. The easiest way to implement the setting system in your code is to use COPRIX namespace and derive your class from settings settings behavior. Now it will prompt you to add a method called set. This method is called every time any setting is changed. So let's test this. Say using Unity engine.ui. Public text UI text, and let's say here UI text equals settings. As you can see here, all your settings that you made in the settings editor are listed as parameters, as properties in this class. So we will choose some count to string, and that's it. Okay, let it compile. Let's create a new text, move it so we can see it, add our component, and give it the text field. Play. As you can see, it displays the default value of our settings. Now, if we want to change it, we can simply go to settings. Sorry, not input field. Settings, and go to slider. As you can see, the same warning here. We can use whole numbers, so it uses integers, and so let's say from 1 to 10. Read and write, okay, and use some count. And that's it. And you click play. As you can see, the slider is updated, and it changes our text field accordingly. So, we also prepared an example scene, which you will see. All of these settings and their implementations will be in the example scripts folder, so you can see how we created this weather control, audio control, UI control, and everything else. Okay, we can delete this too. And that's it. So if you have any questions, the link for the documentation and manuals for this system will be in the link below. And also there will be our support email, which you can find on the asset store and in the link in the description below. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun using our system.